everybody, it's Tina. So I'm currently writing a letter to the court, and it made me think about other people that are in situations where there's a court case against you, that you're dealing with as a form of like retaliation or abuse or, whatever the case may be, false, allegations about you, something like that. One of the things that, is terrifying about the court system is that you really kind of need a lawyer, and they're very, very expensive. And so this is how a lot of us end up getting screwed, a million times over and all this stuff, or going bankrupt trying to pay legal fees, right? So for those of you that are in a situation like me where there's no possibility of being able to afford a lawyer, and it's not a type of situation, it's family law, so one would not be appointed to me in this, situation here. For those of you that cannot afford a lawyer, one of the things that you can do if you don't know how to draft a pleading, which is like a response, to the document that's served to you, like a court document, is write a letter, to the judge explaining your situation, especially those of you that have been wrongfully accused of things. You can always write a letter to the judge and file it with the court case. You just take it to the clerk's office, or you can do it online. It depends on what your local area, does. But you can write a letter to the judge, explaining the situation, and that's how I'm handling my case. I'm lucky that I was, I have a legal background, so if I need to file pleadings, and when I need to file pleadings, I can, and anybody can, but I understand a little bit about procedure and things like that. The court stuff doesn't scare me, so I don't mind representing myself in court. And I can, and I have, many times. Well, not many times, but the times that I've gone to court, I've always represented myself. So, I just wanted to give this as a little, just a helpful hint or a reminder that if you're at a loss as of what to do, if you're in a situation where you're being accused of something that's wrong or false, and you need to respond to those accusations, you can write a letter to the court, and file it in your case. I'm not a lawyer by any means. I'm just a normal person, and I don't have money to hire lawyers to represent me in false claims and false accusations. And so, I'm writing a letter to the judge just explaining the whole truth. I've already done one of them, and I'm going to be doing another one here in my case, because I have court on 9/11 again, and this will be the first hearing in this case. And I don't have a lawyer, so I need to write this letter because it gets all my thoughts out. I can organize it, I can go over it, I can edit it, I can get exactly what I want to say on paper, so that I'm not nervous standing in front of the judge, in court, stammering over my words or forgetting to say things or anything like that. This gives me a full chance to explain myself, in writing to the court, without having to do it verbally as well. So it's helpful, Anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you guys that little bit of advice, and also some encouragement that you're going to get through this, and what's done in the dark will come to the light. Tell the truth. Always tell the truth, no matter what. Even if you've done something wrong, you should tell the truth about it. You'll come out on top. You'll come out much better if you do. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.